Hey everyone! The comparison between the iPad Air M4 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus highlights two very different philosophies in the premium tablet space. Both devices aim to bridge the gap between traditional tablets and laptop replacements, but they approach that goal from completely different angles, shaped by their ecosystems, hardware priorities, and software capabilities. When it comes to design, both tablets reflect their respective brands' identities. The iPad Air M4 continues Apple's clean and minimalist approach, offering a sleek aluminum body in two sizes, 11-inch and 13-inch, which gives users more flexibility depending on whether they prioritize portability or workspace. It feels premium and balanced, but it lacks features like water resistance. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus leans more toward durability and practicality with its armor aluminum build and IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water, something Apple still does not offer on iPads. Samsung's tablet is slightly larger with its 12.4-inch size and feels more like a hybrid device meant to be used with a keyboard. The display is one of the clearest points of contrast. The iPad Air M4 uses a liquid retina panel with excellent color accuracy, true tone, and solid brightness, but it remains limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate. It is sharp and reliable, yet it lacks the fluidity and visual impact of higher-end panels. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus stands out with its dynamic AMOLED 2X display, offering deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate. The addition of an anti-reflective coating further enhances usability in bright conditions, making it more comfortable for extended viewing. Hardware is where the iPad Air M4 pulls ahead decisively. Powered by the M4 chip with an 8-core CPU, advanced GPU features like ray tracing, and a 16-core neural engine, delivers performance that rivals many laptops. Tasks like video editing in Final Cut Pro or music production in Logic Pro run effortlessly, showcasing the tablet's ability to handle professional workloads. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus uses the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, which performs very well in everyday use and multitasking, but it doesn't quite match the raw power or optimization of Apple's silicon, especially in demanding creative applications. Camera performance is solid on both devices, though it is not the primary focus for either. The iPad Air M4 features a 12-megapixels rear camera and a 12-megapixels ultra-wide front camera with center stage, which is particularly useful for video calls. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus offers a dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. Battery life presents a balanced comparison. The iPad Air M4 delivers around 10 hours of usage, maintaining Apple's reputation for efficiency and consistency, especially when paired with its optimized hardware and software integration. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus features a larger 10,090 mAh battery and supports faster 45-watt charging, though real-world usage typically lands in the 7 to 10-hour range depending on workload. While Samsung offers faster charging speeds, Apple's efficiency and standby performance remain strong advantages. In conclusion, choosing between the iPad Air M4 and the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus ultimately comes down to priorities. The iPad Air M4 stands out for its exceptional performance, long-term reliability, and access to a more mature ecosystem of professional applications, making it the better choice for creators and users who want a powerful, future-proof device. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus excels in display quality, multitasking flexibility, and ecosystem features, particularly for users already invested in Samsung's ecosystem or those who value features like the included S Pen and expandable storage. Both are excellent tablets, but they cater to slightly different audiences, with Apple focusing on performance and software depth, while Samsung emphasizes versatility and user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and see you soon.